By the way, number 6 beam actually goes around 7 and 8. That's the one that has the two ends that you attach. I'm going to actually put a tape to close this together. Once this is together, the structure is stronger in the breeze. So I'm just gonna wrap it for tonight, and that should hold. And if you notice, I put structures, chairs with weights against the walls. Here's Rory again. See, there's weights on the chairs. So in case there's a heavy wind, I'm gonna put this barrel against that wall and that chair against that wall, and I have a weighted table over there. So all of this is to keep the structure intact while I construct. This is a tripod that I extended out the rear leg, and the only thing is the side effect is they scratch the surface. There's like a clear coat that gets scratched off. I'll try to see, like right here and there. So I'll just do my own repairs as time progresses, and I'll put my own clear coat or spray paint. So I'm securing this, and I've been doing this project a little at a time. Hopefully I can get this done soon.